like birds up in the sky.
Sabi noon, what did the kites look like? Ano daw itsura ng kites? Itsura ng ano daw? Birds. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng birds?
Ibon.
Ibon. Let's go to exercise 9. 1, 2, 3, go!
How to be
big
strong.
and strong.
Berto is big and strong.
He eats good breakfast before he
Goes yan ha? Goes. Before, 1, 2, 3, go.
Before he goes to school, he drinks milk. He eats
Vegetables.
Two, he plays in the yard.
Ano to?
Yard.
Yard. These
Things help Berto become big and strong.
Basahin mo nga muna ulit, Leo. How to be big and strong. Go!
How to be big and strong. Berto is big and strong. He eats good breakfast before he goes to school. He drinks milk. He eats vegetables too. He plays in the yard. These things help Berto become big and strong.
Anong ibig sabihin ng vegetables, Leo?
Mga gulay.
Mga gulay. Pag sinabi mong big, ano yan?
Malaki.
Strong?
Malakas.
Malakas.
Ikaw naman. Basa. 1, 2, 3, go.
How to be